Hello and welcome to SkyTech Academy. I hope you are well. I hope you are safe in this pandemic. In this video series, we are talking about the tips and tricks that are used in StatPro for efficient work. In which the first video I will talk about unit system which are used worldwide and how to change base unit in StatPro. So let's get into it. Here, if you see, there are two types of unit system which are used worldwide. One is, we call it as a empirical system or English system of unit, and another is metric or SI, that is system international system of unit. If you see in imperial system or English system, the unit of force is pound, or we call it as a LBF, pound force, and the unit of uh, length is feet. And here in SI system, the unit of force is Newton or kilonewton, and a unit of length is meter. Right. So in India, we use SI unit system, and we day to day purpose we always submit our drawings based on SI system. Whereas in USA and maybe some parts of UK, they use English system of unit, but more or less all other countries around the world are using SI system of unit. So if you see, all other units are given here, like what is the unit of distributed force, that is nothing but pound force per feet. What is the unit of moment in English unit, which is nothing but pound inch per inch. What is unit of stress, which is PSI, which is nothing but pound per square inch. Here we call it as a MPa, megapascal, or Newton per mm square. Right. So all these units are given just for comparison, and how the base unit of English or imperial system is, and how the base unit of metric system is. Now let's understand how to change base units in StatPro. Let's go to StatPro Connect Edition. So when you open Connect Edition, this is what you can see. Right here, if you when you open the Connect Edition, this is what you can see. Here you can see there is one option called Configure. So when you click on Configure option, in which there are various options, in which if you go to general, there are two options. One is for base unit, there are two options. One is English, one is metric. So here, in which unit you want to work, you have to select. Say for example, I want to work in English. Or sometimes what happen, during installation, we forgot to select metric unit system, and we selected English unit system. So if you want to change from English to metric, you have to just select this option. Let's say if there is a English unit of system, then how it looks like. So if there is English, and when you click any of the model, here you can see all units are in feet. And so basically, as I told you, the length or unit of length for English system is feet. So you can see everything is in feet. And if you want to see, let's for that, go to loading, go to UDL. Right here, when you see, here I have applied in 10 kilonewton per meter while I have created this model. But here you can see all values are in pound force per feet. Right. So when you convert from 10 kilonewton meter to force per feet, you can see this, you will get this answer. Now the point is how to change this thing. So for that, just close the StatPro. When you reopen your StatPro again, you can see this option. For that, again go to configure. Here, base unit, I have to change from English to metric. So simply click on metric. Now click on OK. Now if you see any same model that we have opened earlier, in which you can see each and everything are given in meters. And if I want to see the load value, go to loading. Right here you can see it is 10 kilonewton per meter. So this is how you can change the base unit. Please do not reinstall the software if you have made the mistake while installing. You can always change anytime from your base unit in StatPro from metric to English or from English to metric. I hope you understand. I hope you like the video, and if you like it, please share with your friends and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.